Folks, we're here at Northeast Factory Direct with Alex, the owner, and warm weather means patio furniture. I've got my patio furniture from Northeast Factory Direct, but boy, Alex, I gotta say, you guys have really upgraded the stuff.
Yeah, so what we've done this year is we've bought truckloads of the best-selling stuff out there. So to give you an idea, these are our dining rooms. These are solid wood. They're actually made out of eucalyptus, which is nice because teak wood over time fades where this won't.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, wait a minute. This is not outdoor furniture, is it?
So it is. It looks like
this is outdoor furniture.
Yeah, so it looks like something you'd have inside, but it's actually made out of cast aluminum. So it's made for the outdoor elements, and it's got that real designer look that you wouldn't believe what some of the stores are charging for stuff like this.
Oh, I could imagine, but of course you're going to get it for a fraction of the price here at Northeast Factory Direct. Of course, Alex, you're well known for some of the best hot tubs in America.
Yeah, so our selection of hot tubs is amazing. We have the ones with the salt system. I mean, we have big ones. We even have small two-person ones starting at $24.99.
But all of them are quality, I know that.
Yeah, the highest quality, best warranty in the business.
All right, now I see a lot of this. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful patio furniture. This wicker with the cushions look is really in.
Yeah, so you can get a set from us in this wicker. You can get a sectional over here for $3.99, or you can get this really nice designer set, which you can customize starting at $17.99.
Plus, tell them about the price match guarantee.
Yeah, so look, if you buy something from us, we guarantee it's the best price for an entire year. For any reason you find it for a better price within a year, we'll give you the difference.
That's fantastic. West 140th Cleveland, Lakeland Boulevard, Euclid, Freeway Drive, Macedonia, or online, northeastfactorydirect.com. Make it a great summer here at Northeast Factory Direct.